guys, we're gonna miss the Kraken. The Kraken is leaving us. Old Red, Leo did an amazing job wrapping this thing himself for me, but she went all red. We got rid of the Ronald McDonald's ugly stepsister, and she's all red. Good looking car now, but it's been reliable. It's got the fastest time on the track. It's been a great car, but at the end of the day, I just cannot afford 3 side-by-sides. So she is gone. We are letting her go. The only bummer about this is I wish they decided to buy this a week after today, because we are going to UTV Invasion, guys. So stay tuned. Go to UTV Invasion at St. Anthony Sand Dunes, but I really wanted to bring this there. But instead, we're just gonna bring this secret weapon over here, and there's a secret to this secret weapon, and we're gonna pan over to that. All right, we are at Gaboa Motorsports. A lot of people think that they more or less just do services, fix your motor work, stuff like that. Even I kind of consider, I know they do a little bit of fab, but I was like, dude, I want to do this wheelie bar. And he's like, dude, I'll fab it up for you, set it all up. And I was like, well, I want it to wheelie, and because this thing wheelies, I wanted to stop it, but I don't want it to be crazy long. So we're right there in the middle. We'll see how this works out. But yes, we're not a standard bumper, because I want to stop this from wheeling, because Pro EFI's got this thing like a wheelie machine. But the nice thing is if I want to take this thing off, because I knew it was going to be a little bit long and look funny a little bit, I wanted to make sure it was removable. So we got this to where this is very removable within 5 minutes. So mad shout out to Gaboa Motorsports. Honestly, it looks really good, and it doesn't look hideous, even though it's like extremely long. All right, is the bumper gonna save this thing?
We're gonna find out.
What do you think, Hunter? Hopefully.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. 2-foot it.
He's laughing at me, guys. Crap in my pants. Look at that. Man, these limos are long. Oh, dude, it got there and then it just stopped. I was like, I could feel it kind of wanting to go over. So you've seen what we're doing with it. We are going to, we got the wheelie bar, Rich at Gaboa Motorsports if you're in Havasu. But we got these ugly red mirrors on here. I found them, honestly, in the back corner with some dirt on them. They don't kick out very far, so they don't see around the hips. But I knew I needed mirrors because Clout, I know that dude's gonna try to hit me. Sometime this week, that's a given. So I thought I could put some mirrors on there so I could dodge and run away from him. But there's a reason why we did not drop anything on the Malvar this week. Yes, it was a very disappointing Malvar drop. I didn't want to do another disappointing Malvar drop, just like the Pro R drop was disappointing. The Yamaha drop was disappointing. I don't think anyone's throwing out their big heavy hitters. Yes, the Malvar got the max, so that's great for you guys that want to do the 4-seat game, but bummed that they didn't do anything for this new Malvar 2-seat. I'm still dealing with that drama with Can-Am, a car that doesn't work. Love to get that running one of these days. But we're just going to be probably just taking this beast right here. But hopefully, since everybody's sandbagging this year as far as dealers go, it looks like CF Moto may throw something down at a good price. You know, a really good car, a fast car for a good price. So I'm hoping that CF Moto actually turns into something. We all know Kawasaki's been holding this little supercharger to us for a little while, but at this point I'm not willing to say that's coming until I physically see that coming. But stay tuned. It's been awesome. It's been a wild week. It's been wild, but there's just nothing going on with the new cars, and so I was pretty sure that was going to happen. That's why we did this big boy beast. So hopefully there's not going to be a viral video of this car over on its lid. We'll do a light montage at the end of the greatness of this car. Is king once again. I am so stoked. One last RPM rev for y'all. Something coming after you? Snake.
Snake?
Yeah. Right.
Really?
Yeah. Have you ever seen me move that fast?
Dude, Austin, you were moving. All right, Fabian's taking the old Kraken. Pro R's gone. Hopefully you love it, brother.
I love it so far, man.
Well, good luck. Have fun.